Hi, it's Cheryl. Welcome to Home Ridge Studio. I'm back again today. I was here yesterday sharing some Christmas ornament DIYs with you. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm transforming my dining room table using all Dollar Tree pieces. Out with the everyday and in with the Christmas decor. Uh-oh, look out. Here comes Christmas. My husband's going to be rolling his eyes. Anyway, this is what my dining table looks like right now. And I know I could probably add some greenery and it would look beautiful for Christmas. I do like it, but this is up all year long. And I wanted to, I had some ideas. I saw some stuff at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to transform this. And there's me saying hi to you. So I am just going to remove everything from my dining room table and pack it away very carefully because most of this is mercury glass, which I love. And I have these three round wreaths from the Dollar Tree. And they are, I think they're $5 each. And I'm just going to place three of them down. Now, some of you may not have a dining room table. Some of you may have a very small table. You can use just one of these. You can just make one piece. And it's a lot cheaper too, obviously. And now I have these three trees, and they were $5 each. And I'm going to place them right inside the wreath. And these are $5. They're a nice big garland full of plastic bulbs. And I'm just going to wrap one around the perimeter. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. So I only needed two of these. And then I take the rest of it and it fits perfectly around the other one. And then I just need the second one, just half of that, for the last tree. And I picked up a couple of these reindeer. These are really nice. I put down my scissors there so I don't poke myself in the face while I'm making them dance around for you. And they were $5 each. They're nice and big. I like them. And now I have this ribbon also from the Dollar Tree. And this is all Dollar Tree Plus. I'm sure you guys know that. And this is this beautiful gold ribbon. And by the way, today, again, I'm participating in the collaboration called the 12 DIYs of Christmas. Today is day number 2, and it's tabletop design. That's the theme. Now, what this means is for 12 straight days, there will be a different theme every day where several crafters will be sharing their themed ideas, including the very talented host Brenda from Rustic and Lace Design and Amanda from Molly Cole Creations. The links to their channels are in the description box below, as well as the link for today's playlist. So you can watch all of the amazing crafters and see all of their very beautiful tabletop, dining room, or kitchen decor. So make sure that you check out the playlist if you want some great ideas. So now I'm going to be taking this gold ribbon, which is absolutely beautiful. I bought some, they have other colors. I think I bought a red one and a green one and a silver one, but I only bought one gold one, but that's okay. It was perfect for this table. And the runner down there is just the runner that I use every day all the time. But I do have a runner, a Christmas runner from last year that'll look really pretty with this, but I just didn't want to dig it out right now because I kind of go crazy for Christmas, and hopefully I'll be able to show you guys a good portion of my house later on after Thanksgiving. So now I have these little ornaments from the Dollar Tree. They look like they're glass, they're plastic. Now I have glass ones that I bought from like Bourdines. They're really pretty. They were a couple dollars each, but these look exactly the same. You really can't tell, but I've had these glass ones and I'm hanging them from my dining room chandelier. And hey, if you are a subscriber, you already know it. You're amazing. You're helping me grow. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you're not a subscriber, welcome to my channel. I hope that you like what you see, and if you do, give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing because it really helps me out and it's totally free. And if you hit the bell notification, then you will know every time I post a video. And here is the final reveal. And thank you for watching Homeridge Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more to come very soon. You have a great day, a great week, and one more time, go visit Rustic and Lace Design and Amanda from Molly Cole Creations. They're super amazing, super talented women, and I will see you very soon. Bye.